Okay guys, so today we're going to do a quick Polaroid shoot. I'm trying to aim for under 5 minutes for this entire thing.
Okay.
Hopefully I don't mess this up because I already lost 2 Polaroids just trying to load the film in. I don't know why. I think this Polaroid is extra dramatic today. But I tried, yeah. So we lost 2. We have 6 left. And we're going to see what we can get. We have 5 minutes.
Let's go.
That was not what I wanted it to be. That wasn't anything. Like, okay, it's fine. We'll just redo that later. So I'm using a Polaroid 600 camera. This is refurbished. I'm ready to go. I'm not going to press the shutter button to look cool because then it's going to take the picture. I'm going to lose one. Let's get started. This is legit. We're putting the timer on. Is there an alarm that you prefer?
No.
I'll go through the selections here. Do you have an alarm that you wake up to? And every time you hear it outside of when you're waking up, you just...
Yeah, freaks you out. You have to do that dance every time it goes up.
Every time. I make the rules, Angelica. Think like I don't know, something like, oh, like my husband's annoying me. Oh my god.
You can't make me laugh the whole time.
I just went to Home Depot and they ran out of stock on the doorknobs that I like. Oh my god. Yes, just like that. But let's have a little bit of your neck showing. Yeah, kind of like have this arm like kind of like right here. Yeah, kind of like this. Okay. And something kind of just like really, like move your legs, this way. Yeah, just like that. Bring your head in, tilt your head in. Okay. You know what? Let's do one last one, and then have this kind of like, I don't know, something like this. You're a royal astronaut. You're a space cadet.
Okay.
For the royal family. Okay, do something kind of like, even just kind of like something weird, like to the side. Yeah, just like that. And then the head back towards me. And where's that other hand? Bring that other hand out. Yeah, there. Okay. So we have 1 minute and 34 seconds. Will we make it? Probably not. It's okay, it's not a big deal. 1 minute and 11 seconds. We could have made a wish. Damn, that was the only time I had. And yeah, do something kind of, yeah, do that, just like that, yeah. Think like, oh, I have a headache. Why is it not working? Oh my god, did I break it? Oh my god, I broke it. Let's give it a second. Maybe it's going through something that we don't know about.
It's going through a hard time right now.
Yeah, right there. Okay, so due to the camera's negligence, we're gonna add another minute because the shutter didn't go off. So we have 1 minute. Okay, so we have a technical difficulty. That was a good one. I got my eyelash in there.
Did you?
Yeah. Let's just reset another time.
Another minute.
Just another minute.
Like 2 more minutes.
There's a lot of stuff happening right now. Okay, I think we need another 60 seconds.
My head's too big.
So Angelica's head is too big. We need another minute. The crown, the camera thing.
It's not our fault.
It wasn't our fault. It kind of was our fault. What's my fault? Yeah, you tossing the balloon? And 1, 2, 3, toss.
Oh shit.
No, we didn't take the photo. Okay, we're gonna reload and take that last picture. So we ran out of film. I'm gonna load it up like normal, hopefully. I'm really nervous because I always feel like I'm loading this in wrong. Should we pray before we do this?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I did it right. Awesome. Okay, it only took me 5 packs of film. $100 later. Let's finish up the photo challenge. That was supposed to be 5 minutes. I think it's safe to say that it's not 5 minutes anymore. I've reloaded the film and we're gonna get these shots. So let's have some of you again just throwing the balloon up in the air, but take a step back and go. do one where you have like the balloon kind of like next to your face. So like against the wall a little bit. Or you know what? Maybe turn to the side even. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, just like that. Beautiful. Great job. That one I think is gonna be nice. So we're gonna do one more outfit change and I think we'll be good to go. So far, so good. We have like a hand here or something, like both hands. Keep moving your head. Let's see the different variations. Just like that. Perfect. Don't move. Beautiful. Great. Maybe do one where your arms are like out, like all the way up. Yeah. Like both arms. Yeah, perfect. Amazing. That might be my favorite one so far. Okay, so I think we got enough pictures. I'd say this took more like 10-15 minutes instead of 5, but you know, our intention was there. So I think that counts for something.
Yeah.
We tried to do the 5 minutes. So these are all the pictures that we took. We have not seen them yet. We're gonna reveal them right now. So are you ready? First picture. Wow. Oh, this was my favorite one. This has to be my favorite one.
Yeah, I'm very dark. My skin tone is really nice.
Your skin tone really shines in this one because it doesn't all black. Oh,
that one's cool.
Gorgeous. I'm really liking these. Which one's your favorite? These?
I almost just went like this to make it focus.
So these are the favorites that we chose. I really like the one where Angelica has her arm over and you chose
this one. This very blurry one.
So we hope you guys like the pictures. We would love to thank our amazing model Angelica. Oh wait, one of these is supposed to be my eyelash. Which one's mine?
That little sparkle.
This has to be me. This is my eyelash right here. That has to be it. So one of them is actually me. It looks like a ultrasound or something, but this probably is me. So I changed my favorite picture to this one.
Yeah, I love that photo of you.
It's beautiful.
It's your new default.
New profile picture for Facebook. So let us know how you guys think we did, what picture was your favorite, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.